Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to respected principal ma'am, highly dignified teachers and non-teaching staff, and my dear brothers and sisters. We are here today celebrating the World No Tobacco Day. The World No Tobacco Day was created by World Health Organization members in 1987 and is celebrated every year on 31st of May. Main aim of this day is to raise the awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco and hence of smoke expenditure. Today, we, the students of Lysem International School, will be presenting a short and precise play which will be mainly focusing on raising the awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco, and along with this play, we will give us the awareness about that how tobacco leads to the disintegration of not only the responsibilities of the people in their life but also the disgrace of humanity, that is our society. The characters of our play will be Aban as a friend, Zaid as a friend, Yasir as a friend, Iman as a vegetable seller, Maryam as the wife of the main character, Rinaz as the daughter of the main character, and Simra as a doctor. Let us start. They're enjoying their free time very badly by means of indulging themselves in the consumption of tobacco. The third friend comes and tends to join them. He's very polite person, he's very innocent. Can you see what is happening here? The two friends are making him indulge in the use of tobacco. He is not willing to do so, but the three friends are pressurizing him. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what is happening in our everyday life. Now, after few days, the two friends are sitting together. Again, they are enjoying their free time very badly. And the same person comes and joins them. Can you see the person who was earlier not willing to have tobacco is now offering them tobacco? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens in our society. A man is known by the company he keeps, and that is what is happening here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the youth of our society, our future, which has been indulged in such activities. What will happen to their lives? What will happen to their married lives? What will happen to their business ventures? And on top of that, they have certain responsibilities. What about them? Now let us see what will happen to their married lives, moreover their responsibilities. In the scene third, we will try to convey the message that is, the wife of the main character is sitting in her house taking care of her child. Meanwhile, her husband comes to her just lighting a cigar in front of her. Her husband is pressurizing her to give her his child, but the wife is not willing to do so because she knows that the husband is having a cigar in his hand and that is very harmful for her child. On her not giving her the child, he uses the domestic violence on her. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what tobacco leads to. Domestic violence. Now let's take a look how tobacco leads to social violence. In the ongoing scene, the vegetable seller says that 1 kg of potato is of 50 rupees, but the person who was using tobacco continuously is saying that he is only 30 rupees. Why? Because he doesn't have such earning? No, because he is using major amount of his money in the purchasing of tobacco. He didn't try to solve this problem and kept doing it. And that is why he is having no money with him right now. He starts arguing with him and eventually takes up his collar. A big fight takes place. And this is how tobacco leads to social violence. Now, in the ongoing scene, the man has a growing daughter who has the only aspiration that her father will take a look at her marks card. But instead of doing so, he slaps on her face, which means that the man is not fulfilling her responsibilities as a father, as a husband, or as a husband. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the harmful effects of tobacco. Now the person is feeling both mentally and physically dizzy due to the continuous consumption of tobacco and lighting cigar. But even after all this, he is not stopping. The man suddenly gets faint and becomes unconscious. His daughter comes in a hurry, worried about her father, called her mother. She comes worried and calls the doctor. The doctor comes in and checks the patient. And let us see what the response of the doctor is. The doctor says that the patient is no more. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what is happening in our daily society. This is all because of tobacco and lighting cigar. Ladies and gentlemen, the message that we're trying to convey with this is that tobacco does not destroy a single life, but every single family person's life. I want every one of you to take a stand today that if you will see somebody lighting a cigar or having tobacco, please let them know about the consequences of it. Thank you.